How to download YouTube videos step-by-step guide. In step 1, open video and click on share, which is bordered with red color. After clicking on share in step 2, you can copy the link with mouse cursor, which is bordered red color, or just click on copy. You will see link copy to clipboard in the left side of your browser. The copy is bordered with green color. You can also share video in different social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, email, or KakaoTalk. In step 3, you can search Y2Mate in Google website and click on first link, which is y2mate.com website, which is bordered with red color. After clicking on y2mate.com website. In step 4, you can use Ctrl and V button in your laptop to paste copied link in search bar of y2mate.com website, or if you're using mobile, then press search bar for 1 to 2 seconds, then you can see option paste to paste in search bar the copied link of video. After pressing start button, which is bordered with black color, you will see 5 download options which are bordered with blue color. So you can click on any download button and your video will start downloading. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.